Hello my friends! Last time we did this unboxing from Fansells. We did 6 or 7, 6 I think, a diamond, not diamond painting, sorry, I was just thinking about that. We did diamond painting video part number 1. Part number 2 was 6 collection of fruits in winter, if you remember. And this little cutie I would call beautiful and adorable, so cute. So this package, I still continue to review package from Fansells.com. I do have a discount code, please check it out, description box, and use it to save some money. And also check it out, some other product up there, lots and lots of good stuff up there, and for a very good price. So what do we start here with? Let's do this cow because I am dying to see it. It's so cute, so adorable, and it sounds like a very tiny. It's like the other. Oh my goodness, this is even tinier than I thought would be. Oh my lord, this is so cute. Look at this. Now, okay, like this. Is this even cow? Or this is something wrong canvas in here. Hold on. That's not cow. They put wrong picture inside. Oh my goodness. Whoa, what a mess. This is definitely not cow inside. It looks like a teddy bear with the hat. Oh wow, this has never happened to me before, to have a canvas and the wrong design on the inside. So I guess we are not going to review this one. Oh, I'm so sad now. Unless, well, then I don't know what kind of size of the canvas would need. Like, we do have a pattern in here that I could use as counted cross stitch, but that's not fun anymore. Now I don't know if these threads actually belong to this design or to this design, right? Let's see if we are correct in here. I have a 310 in here, number 3. And I have in here number 3, it's a rosy peachy color. So this is definitely all messed up. Okay, scratch that. Adorable went ugly. I have to take pictures, email to them, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. I really love that cow. Wow, that's a big mistake on a certain center where they put packages together. I wonder who else received instead of teddy bear, they received my cow. That's a sad story. All right, canvas number 2. We have a beautiful butterfly fairy. Let's see. Wow, I did not see. That's what happened when I did not check my canvases on the inside. When sometimes I peekaboo, I tell you I'm peekaboo, but most of them I waiting for my first impression till I start record video. That way kind of more fun. I surprise, you surprise to see, and this is actually a shocking surprise. Did not expect that. Okay, we're going to review this little beauty. Isn't her face gorgeous? Wow, such a beautiful lines, face, the eyes, the lips, nose, everything is perfect, right? Her blonde hair, and have a beautiful wings. She's a butterfly, tulips around, and look her beautiful dress. Oh, she is stunning. She is so gorgeous. And we have her, so it's called Butterfly Fairy 16. Wow, that's how many butterfly fairies exist, even more, right? 14 count Ada, 44 by 44 centimeters. Hopefully it's going to be correct canvas in here. Now I'm afraid of everything. Let's see what we have in full stitch. Whoa, it's a whooping 60 colors. 60, that is amazing. And then we have 5 colors in back stitch. So I think it's only 2 kind of stitches in here. Yes, full, that's the same thing. Full stitch and back stitch. This is the symbols on the canvas, and this is the symbols in the book. So that's why they do different. And when I'm looking in here at her face, where I was looking at the first page, I think, like, it's just so pretty face. Cannot show you the pattern, but from far you can see how amazing she is. She's beautiful. She's definitely beautiful. Oh, if I can shrink my whips, she would be on my whip for sure. So let's hope that we have correct stuff in here for her. And usually for me to kind of check, I would start with the, if I have like a, we don't have a 310 in here. Wow. Okay. No 310? Really? Wow. We don't have a 310 at all. Not even in a back stitch. Not too often you will have design that doesn't have a black color. And here she is. Okay, can you recognize her face? Right in here, face and you. Very crispy. I definitely think they updated their print. Their print got much brighter and much sharper. I have to say, I believe they updated. Even the other my unboxing that I did, those tiny cute designs, they were print like really good. Whichever we want to see. There's like no confetti. It's such a easy pattern to stitch, like big chunks of colors, and she's going to be so pretty. Okay, so in here the threads that we have a 2 needles, lots of beautiful colors. This one probably would fit perfectly, maybe even not big enough for the frame, 43 by 43 centimeters, or maybe it would fit. No, maybe frame would be not enough siding to clip in, because this one a little bit longer. No, this one is good, but look at that. She is so gorgeous. Look at this beautiful this baby green. How pretty color up there. Okay. Okay. And okay, because we have only one canvas today to review because of that mistake that was created, I actually I totally have to email to them, because I was asking about why I kind of a few projects I did not receive what was supposed to be for the review, so I'm not sure if they still coming or not. But I think I sent them one link that actually I do have in here. It was stuck between those little one and I did not see it, so I have to email and tell them that I got one, and that is one I have in here by Paint and Fairy brand. So let's check it out, this one, so we can have a little bit longer chit chat with you. Design are very beautiful, and they have like a collection of the seasons. So if you like collect by the seasons, I highly recommend you get it. And let's see what else we have in here. Oh, what is this stuck? Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we do have in here. Okay, first of all, let's see the design at first. Okay, I pick fall time because I love all those orange and red colors in the trees, and I just love that cute house cottage on the back up there, and maybe we have some fish in that water running up there. Look at that, all those little details around the reef, the mountains on the back. Very peaceful design, very beautiful. How many colors in here we have? Okay, so we have in here different backstitch and different I see in here 310 back stitch in 1 thread, and also back stitch in 2 threads. And I actually just not sure when this video will go live, I did video tutorial because somebody asked me how to read symbols, this pages, how to read them from Paint and Fairy. So I created 10 minutes video. If you missed that, check it out. Okay, so that's all we have in here. 44 colors, 41 full solid, yes, 41 cross stitch regular, and then we have 3 blends in here. Blends all 1 color of each, so it's 2 strand. And we have few more, like in here, this one staple in here, so hold on, a little bit tricky. On the top you can see the back stitch with the black line. You stitch in with 1 thread of 310 DMC, purple line in 2 strands, and then we have more like this in here on the bottom, 1 and 2, the rest are all in 1. Then we have a French knot, those dots up there, and we don't have any half stitch, or we do? Yeah, we do, just the 1 color in half stitch, which in here you see the empty space. It's mean you don't have that color for the full stitch, but you do have a half stitch in that TMC 435, if I correct read backwards. Yeah, 435. Okay, and then in here, that's it. I guess, you know how they have like those blocks of same symbols? Maybe because this is just a little bit of the symbols, not like 100 and over. So I assume only for the bigger designs they do those blocks of similar symbols, or like identical symbols in the different colors. In here we have only 44 colors, so it's just like a 1 page in here, and that's it. And the rest of design with lots of back stitch, especially for the wreath, all those to create leaves. And we do have a tools in here, the added by the store. So we have a ring, the threader, and 10 needles. I think they are all the same size. Hold on, let's check it out. Are they different link or not? No, they different one. If I can make them all in the same link, you will see that some longer, some shorter, and yeah, they are like upside down, some of them. Ooh, this one is really thick. Holy moly, that is really thick compared to, for example, look at the difference on the size in here. Wow. Okay, that would be good like for a 9 count stitching. Oh, I don't even know if I have this kind of thick needle. Interesting. Different sizes in here, thinner one, bigger one. Okay, we're going to discover the while we're stitching. I keep in those kind of like with me clothes. Right now we're going to put in a bag because we're going to see canvas itself. Okay, so this is cute, not too big, just like many of you like it to have a small design. And of course the Paint and Fairy, they always impress me at how much fabric they have all the way around. Plus this is a partial, it kind of like you would consider full coverage if you think about this, right? Because it's everything is full, and so just because of the shape. So I don't know, you would still consider it's a partial or full coverage in a circle. I don't know. 14 count Ada, this one, and the size by the stitches 157 by 153. Okay, pure white canvas with their logos in here, the stamp for the quality and clean product. approved. And look at this, just the fiber from the threads, very nice. As of course the print of their canvas is also gorgeous, gorgeous, very pretty, and doesn't look like it's a very difficult design to stitch. I don't see like heavy confetti area or anything. Design look busy, but canvas looks very easy and no complication at all in here. So let's see those beautiful orange colors that I really want to see. Okay, as always, little lovely touch of the ribbon. And for the small designs, I know this, I don't know if because this designs was from different store, not exactly from Paint and Fair website. So because I see in here it's a paper in here, not the plastic. So not sure if your design will show up with the same thing or not. So of course in here we don't have the Miracle order, but we do have a DMC right in the palettes, and they are paper palettes. Okay, the colors, the red ones and the mix of this orange will look so good. Yes, it is. And in here of course we have lots of black. Design will look really pretty. Okay, what do you think, my friends? I see now, like, it was kind of hard to choose because all the circles, like, they, I would say similar kinda, but all the 4 seasons, it would be nice to have a 4 seasons. And to frame, it's actually not very big. 14 count. I cannot remember if they have a different count on a website or not at Fansells. If you get, for example, 16 or 18, the design will be even more smaller, so it would be easier to frame. But this size of the frame, it would be easy to put into the frame picture because it's not big picture. So there you have it. Now I have to email to them and talk about this design.